We have done an industrial specific cleaning test. As a food model, we use sour milk mixed with uranine that will be fluorescent. Comparing firstly two different bearings with end covers. We have compared the standard relubricable one with the new fully sealed hygienically designed one. What we observed was that the blue units were better cleaned thanks to hygienic design shape, while other units clearly presented food residues and water paddling areas. Removing the end covers, we noticed that the bearing insert of the fully sealed blue units was completely dry, while the other bearing was wet. The backside area in the blue unit was not featuring grease leakage, which in combination with the food residues coming from behind would allow bacteria to grow, and this is a risk for the other unit. Comparing the open hygienic design blue unit with a standard relubricable bearing without end cover, we noticed that it took 33% more water to clean off the standard units, mainly due to the expelled grease in the front and behind. Even when the unit was mounted with a spacer, food residues were not properly removed in the backside. In conclusion, from a food safety perspective, we clearly see that the advantage of hygienically designed bearing units with relubrication-free features over standard solutions.